Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Duro 256-CW-DU. So the 256 is representative of this of it being obviously a wraparound plate, a door reinforcing wraparound plate for 1 3/4 doors, 2 holes, 2 3/8 backset, 5.5-inch centers on the holes, in the duranodic painted finish. It's a stainless steel base material with a duranodic paint on it. Don Joe's paperwork calls this 10B, but this is not oil rub bronze. This is a duranodic paint, and that's why we call it DU rather than 10B. It's definitely not oil rub bronze. Anyway, it's a good complementary color to oil rub bronze, that's for sure. Let's get the tape measure and verify some of this stuff. First of all, it's 4 by 12. It's 4 inches wide. It's a little bit heavy on 4 inch, and that's not untypical. It's more atypical, actually. And their 4 inch dimension is likely being measured from the inside of the mortise for the latch bolt. 12 inches tall, and that is indeed the case. That's spot on. We said that these were at 2 3/8 backset. Edge of the door to the center of the hole would be at 2 3/8. That is indeed the case. 5.5-inch centers. Might have to eyeball that a little bit, but it's 5.5 inch. That's measured from here to here. Very important. And then we said it was for an 1 3/4 door, and that is indeed the case. So Don Joe has these available for every many combinations of door thickness, hole configuration, back set, size, color, and whether or not the edge, as it is mortised here, is mortised. You can have it. You can have this in what is considered a flat front as well, if you have, a drive-in sort of latch bolt, or you want to just have the latch only stick out from the hole. That would be the CW part of the part number refers to that. In place of CW, you would have VF. Again, available in different finishes. This is solid stainless steel with a duranodic paint over it. Okay, made of 22 gauge stainless. You can see the fact that it's a sprayed finish on the inside of that plate. Good quality item. Don Joe's name is synonymous with good quality wraparound plates, latch protectors, push and pull hardware, and a variety of other ancillary items to the door frame and hardware industry. This is going to include 4 screws and a complementary finish, and that's going to be for these 2 holes here and here, and then of course the 2 here and here to hold it onto the edge of the door. It's also going to include 4 832 machine screws. Now here there are 5, that's a mistake, there would only be 4. And that's to hold the latch bolts into the machine nuts that are in here. The screws that you'll have holding the latch bolt on will be wood screws, so you'll be able to attach your latch bolts directly to the plate using those machine screws, and they get the entire installation of your wraparound plate concluded. Probably need to be a little bit of work of chiseling, for the mortises on the plate to get into the door. You want this to be installed as flush as possible. And people use these generally not in new installation aspects, but generally to repair or cover up damage to an existing wood door, or maybe just to reinforce something, and this certainly does a great job at doing that. It's a U-channel piece of stainless steel, so that is a good idea. You might have some work to do to the strike plate because you're adding a bit of thickness to your door when you install this, so you might have a little bit of filing to do to the strike plate. Don Joe, a full-line provider of that material, of wraparound plates and other items. If you have any questions on the Don Joe 256-CW-DU wraparound plate or any other Don Joe product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.